Hello and welcome to another section of Uncle Sam's math tutorial. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you do any other thing. In today's class, we'll be doing a quick question on multiplication of algebraic expressions. So how do we multiply algebraic expressions? I've given you a tip in the previous video, so we're still going to follow the approach here. To multiply algebraic expression also means to expand algebraic expression. So it's the same thing as expansion. So look at this question here. We have x squared x plus 2 bracket x plus 3 bracket. So how do we now multiply? You might be asking, where is the multiplication sign? So here now, when two expressions are together, there is an invisible multiplication here. So this is where the multiplication is, but it's invisible. Remember, whenever they are joined together, this x plus 2 bracket this is not equal to x plus 2 plus x plus 3. They are not equal. Because here it is very obvious that it's an addition sign that is separating the two expressions. I hope you got that. So multiplication is this. So how do we now solve this? We are going to what? Demarcate. We are going to take this first expression here, this first x, and multiply everything that is inside this bracket. Then take plus 2 and multiply the same thing inside the bracket. So that is how to expand. Take this, multiply everything inside here. Take this and also what? Multiply everything inside here. So x times x will give us x squared. X times 3 will give us what? Positive 3x. Then 2 times x will give us what? Plus 2x. Then 2 times 3 will give us what? 6. If we join it, if we simplify it, it's going to give us x squared plus 3x plus 2x are like times. So you add them together. Add the coefficients. 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is 5x plus 6. And in the coming video, we'll be examining this type because this is an example of a quadratic equation. Okay, so look at these other expressions. Let's observe that too. Remember what I said? You take the first expression, multiply everything inside, take the second one, multiply. So this is same as 2x into what? 4 x raised to the power 3 minus 5x minus 7. Then plus 5 into again 4x raised to the power 3 minus 5x minus 7. So let us expand this. 2x times 4x raised to the power 3. 2 times 4 will give us 8. Then x times x raised to the power 3. Now remember the power, the teachings on power. If you don't still know it, please go back to the teachings. It's on my YouTube channel. Okay? So if you have an expression like x, we have multiplied the coefficient, which is 2 times 4. We are now multiplying x times what? X raised to the power 3. So this is something like x times x raised to the power 3. Any alphabet that is alone is raised to the power of 1. And under the power rule, I told you that multiplication of the same numbers simply means you add the powers together. So it's same thing as what? Pick one x, which is the base, and add the power 1 plus 3, which is going to give us 4. So this is same as x raised to the power what? 4. So that's what we're going to write here. 8x raised to the power what? 4. Then 2 times 5 is going to give us what? 10. Please be careful of the sign. There's a positive sign here. That's why I'm not considering, because positive times negative is going to give us negative. So 2 times 5 is 10. X times x is going to give us what? X squared. Because the power is 1. The power here is 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 times 7 is what? 14. Then x times 7 is same as what? 14x. So we'll continue with this. Plus 5 times 4 is going to give us what? 20x raised to the power 3. Okay? 5 times 5 is what? 25x. I'm going to come down and then 5 times 7 is what? 35. So, what do we have here? We already have that this 8x raised to the power 4 is the largest here. So there is no like term that is connected to this x raised to the power 4. So we're going to write it first. X raised to the power 8x raised to the power 4. Then we'll look around. X raised to the power 3, there is no other coefficient, so we'll bring it closer. Plus what? 20x raised to the power 3. Then we'll look around again, we're having 10x squared, x squared. We are arranging them according to their what? Their powers in descending order. So here, we're going to write our minus 10x squared. Then lastly, okay, this can actually affect each other. This is minus 14x minus 25x. Now, minus, minus, if you join them together, it means owing, owing. So join them together and add the negative sign. 14 plus 25 is going to give us 39. So I'm going to write minus 39x. Then I'll write my final number here, which is minus 35. So this is it. We've been able to what? Multiply this algebraic expression. I hope you understood it. Please, if you have any question, please don't relent to ask it on the comment section. See you in the next video.